This is $1,000, and this is not USA. Alright, this method is easy because you can learn what you need to learn fast and you don't need to spend money to make money. And you do this, you can make $1,000 per month consistently through social media management. Now, what is social media management? Well, in our context, this means you're going to manage the Facebook page, the YouTube channel, the Instagram page of a business owner. So the business owner in this case understands the importance of being active online, including responding to messages, to comments, and posting frequently, but they don't have the time to do it. So then you come in and you get paid to do it. And now I'm going to tell you what you need to do and what are the steps in order for you to start making money like this today. Step number one is to choose a platform. As I said, you can do this, you can manage, a Facebook page, an Instagram page, a YouTube channel, whatever. What I would recommend and what I did in the beginning, I chose Facebook. And there are 3 reasons for that. Number one, Facebook is owned by Meta. Instagram is owned by Meta as well. So it's very easy to post both on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. Reason number 2 is that Facebook and Instagram are popular and people or potential clients understand the importance of being active on those 2 platforms. And reason number 2 is because they're fairly easy to use. Now, step number 2 is to familiarize yourself with the platform from the perspective of a content creator. I recommend you to create a Facebook business page and a professional Instagram account today. You will eventually need a Facebook business page and a professional Instagram account for this side hustle or business anyways, so just do it now. Now I'll show you how to create both of them from your laptop, but bear in mind that Facebook and Instagram's interface are changing often, but the process will most probably stay the same. So if you find that some things are different or completely missing, this is why. But at least you can still apply the principles and make use of the ideas I'm going to give you further on in this video. So to create a Facebook page for your business, you need obviously to be on Facebook, and then you need to find the section where it says pages. You click on it and then you have the option to create a new page. So name your page. And by the way, here think of a name for your business, but don't spend a whole lot of time on this. It is important, but it's not as important as you think it is. So just find a name, use ChatGPT for that if you're in doubt. Then you have to find a category, advertising, agency, advertising, marketing, whatever you want. Write the description, what you do. Again, you can use ChatGPT, but you can say something like, we provide social media management for small business owners. It can be something along those lines. Then you press create page. Okay, specific name. Well, SMMA Austin. Let's see if they let us use this. Yeah, SMMA stands for Social Media Management Agency. And then you need to go on, like here, you're gonna just leave this blank, put your phone number, email, location, hours, just say you're always open, and just press next, but fill in everything. And then you would add a profile picture, a cover. So I'm not going to do that now. Just press next and then use or try to link your WhatsApp with this. That's a very good idea. I'll press skip. You can invite your friends, and that's again something very important. Just invite your friends to like your page. This is another way that they can find out about your business so you can get business. Press next, done, and there you go. You have your page over here. Now you can go in settings and, change a few things, edit the name and so on, right? But what I do recommend, and which is very, very important, is that you fill in as much information as you can, right? Add a profile picture, add a cover, just fill in as much information as you can, because that's very, very important, and it will show Facebook that you are actually a serious business, a real business, okay? So it's very, very important that you do that. Now, on Instagram, you go on Instagram.com and you will press sign up, and basically, I'm not gonna do it again like the way I did it for Facebook, but basically you do the same thing again. And then you have the option to choose professional account and change to a professional account. So just do that. Step number 3 is to understand what your potential customers want. Now, this is very important. and I'm gonna help you with that. So what they want, just as I said before, is best case scenario is that they understand the importance of being active on social media. In our case, posting regularly on Facebook and Instagram. So they understand this, but they don't have the time. So basically what you're offering them, or rather what they're buying, is they're buying time, right? In the other scenario, your prospects or potential clients do not understand the importance of being active on social media. So for example, you know, a business owner, they already have a Facebook page, or maybe they don't, but let's say if they do have a Facebook page, you see that, you know, their last post was 3 months ago. So then it is your job to go to them and tell them, hey, I've seen that last time you posted on your page was 3 months ago. And also you're really not replying to any comments. And just make him aware that he is leaving money on the table because he's not taking care of his social media the way he should. Because maybe a potential client of his might ask him some questions, but he's not replying, or because of the fact that he's not posting every week and his last post was last year or 3 months ago, people might think that they're out of business. So it's your job to make them aware of this. Okay, so there's two scenarios. One, when the person knows the importance of being active on social media but does not do it, and second is when the person does not realize how important it is to be active, so he doesn't do it. In the second case, you have to make the person aware of it. Now, before we go to step number 4, like this video if you do, and please comment something in the comment section down below, anything really, just so the YouTube algorithm shows me some love as well. Thank you. And now step number 4, now we get to business. To have a post on Facebook or Instagram, you will need two things, okay? A photo or a video and the text. And the photo and the video you will ask your client to provide for you, and they can take their photos or videos with the phone. It's not a big deal. If you are going to post every day for them, then ask them twice a month to provide you with a batch of photos and videos, 15 at the beginning of the month and 15 at the end of the month, for example. Photos and videos are also called creatives. So you can either use the creatives as they are, or you can make them fancier with a free tool called Canva. And this is Canva. I have a paid version for Canva, but basically, I mean, you can find tutorials online on how to use Canva, but basically you just go on this purple button, create a design, or you already search over here in the search bar what you want. I search for social media marketing, and you press on one, you press on customize this template, and then you are here where you can change, you know, you can move the photo, you can change the text, you can upload, you know, photos, you can add elements like arrows, emojis, and so forth, right? I'm not gonna go too much in depth with this because this video is gonna get too long and maybe you're gonna get bored, but this is what you do. And also for your profile picture for the new page you created and for the cover, you can also use Canva, and I actually recommend you use Canva. As I said, it's a free tool. They have a paid version as well, but you can be fine with a free tool. So that's it. All right, so now the way you make a post, I mean, it's you can do it over here, right? You can add a picture or a photo or a video from the ones that your client has sent you. Or what you can do is you still press on this, but then you go on this one, Meta Business Suite. And in the Meta Business, you can actually schedule posts. So you press on this button right here, create post. And right now, our Facebook page and our Instagram account are not connected. I haven't made a new Instagram account, but I'm gonna show you where you connect the Facebook page with the Instagram account as well. But basically what you do here is you add photo, add video, whatever you want, you write the text, and then you either press publish or you have this option over here, set date and time. And basically you can schedule your posts. Right now we are in January 12th. I can schedule the post for about 30 days. So I can schedule for February 10th, for example. Okay, so basically this is a huge advantage. And why? Is because you don't need to make a post every day. You can basically take a couple of hours in 2 days in a month and just schedule all of the posts over here, right? And for the text, this is how we schedule posts. I show you what to do about the pictures. You either get them from a client, or if you want to make them fancier, you're gonna make them in Canva. This is how you make the post, but there's one part missing, and that is the text. Now for the text, you either know what to write and are creative, or else you will be using a secret tool called ChatGPT. So it is actually pretty straightforward. It is pretty easy. You'll press schedule over here for the whole post, and that's it. Now, a thing which I forgot, and I'm gonna show it to you right now, is actually how to link the Facebook page you created, this one, with the Instagram you've created, okay? With the Instagram page. So your posts will go on both Facebook and Instagram at the same time. See, right here. You have the option to also tick Instagram, however they're not connected, okay? So again, we go on our page, and from here you'll go to settings, and from settings you have link accounts, and that's it. You'll press on this button and you are prompted to choose which account you want to link, and that's it. So it's actually pretty straightforward. So step number 5 is to find clients, and really what you should do is simply take your phone and have a look in the contacts and see who you have in your contact list that might have a business or that has a business. And you can do the same on Instagram, on Facebook. You can do the same at your church, at the gym. Just use your network and ask around, ask people, go approach them. This is how you will get your first clients. And think about it, you only need 5 people to do this for, at a price of $200 to make $1,000 per month and to make it consistently. So really, it's not that difficult. It's not that difficult. Or you need 10 people to do this for at a price of $100. It's really not that difficult if you think about it. And again, if you like this video, please press the like button, comment something in the comment section down below, just for Mr. YouTube algorithm to show me some love as well.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.